Vlogtober is fun, day 20 has begun, so follow us on the adventures we run. We're gonna go meet Grandma at her knitting club, because that's over by the park. But this is what he did when I said, let's go meet Grandma. You've been lying in bed all day, you little crazy tot. It's fine. Don't worry, he'll shake it off later.
Go shake off though.
Go chase the car again. I want to film it. It looks funny.
I'll bring it. Yeah.
I wonder if he's a bit scared now.
I'll go sire.
This is so fun. Go, get it. Get it. Do you see Grandma? Go find Grandma. Where's Grandma? Hi, boy. Go on, chase it.
Mushy, can I put the Halloween pumpkin on top? Ah, look at my pumpkin.
It's gonna fall off. It would fall off.
Put on the car and then Mushy can race after it.
No, it would fall off. It would fall off.
Look at my Halloween pumpkin. Woo, Mushy, you like it? Woo! It's for you. It's for your Halloween.
The face looks so weird.
Look. 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 Look, Mush. Look at Mummy. Hey.
Mush.
Yeah.
Who's your friend?
See how they meet. Boom.
Get Marshy and his pumpkins. Why are you like posing as if you're like freaking model? Well, my face looks really big. So, finished work. I'm wearing my new Hollister jumper. Do you guys like it? Not sure about the colour. It's a little bit grayer than I thought. I thought it'd be more like Marshy's colour, but never mind. He's snoozing, so I'm snoozing with him because why not? Are we snooze buddies? Got an eye booger. We need to go for a walk, a second walk, don't we? Maybe later. Maybe we can just play in the hallway. Look at this little boy. Mother is chopping up some pork belly and I gave him a tiny bit just to see if he would eat it. And now he's been sat here waiting for any scraps to drop from the floor.
No, he's asking for it. He doesn't wait for scraps.
Oh, he wasn't waiting. He was scoffing.
He I want to eat now. I'm hungry.
He's sitting there so patiently right now.
Yeah.
He's patient, boy.
Not
Trying
yet,
to get
this
some
is
scraps.
our meal tonight, our dinner tonight.
We're hanging on the balcony because I'm too lazy to take him out for a walk. And he seems pretty content, like he's not barking at me to go out, probably because he did his business earlier and he's empty, like he's not too bad, but he asked to come out on the balcony and then he's just standing there. Oh, look at his little wet paw prints. I hear a bicycle bell. Can we see a bicycle? Nah. Just gonna stand there. It might be the bicycle, might be just below us. Oh, little kid said thank you. Probably for those people making way for the kid. Oh, there he is. There's a kid there with a bicycle. Why are you looking at yourself in the mirror? Have you got a wiggly tail? having a late night walk with his rainbow collar today. Stop in to sniff everything. We're just waiting outside Tesco because Mum popped in. Although this Tesco, they do allow me to carry my dog in if I'm getting something. Oh, Mum's coming out now. Nothing? Let's go. Mum wanted to check the sale.
And 2 red pepper.
Ugh, neither of those things are very nice for me.
You don't eat those.
I don't eat those. Marshy baked so many people's nights, like 5 people's nights tonight, just because he's wearing his collar and he's cute. But yeah. Good boy. Well done. So Mum and Dad bought stuff at Ikea this morning. Yes?
Afternoon.
Oh, this afternoon. So we're just going to go get it from the car.
I like it because the door is shiny like that. And the one that he bought is matte. It's not shiny. So this one is shiny. I like it. I told you it's very clean.
Easier to wipe down.
Yes.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
he's here.
It's here.
Oh, this is the... Oh, it is shiny. Ah, interesting. It's here. And it's £85. It's from Ikea. So we were removing the legs so it can fit under this bit.
Yeah, we have to move the
Mashi, you want to go in the cupboard?
screw inside it. You have to undo the screw.
Oh, I forgot to.
It might be a little bit, I don't know. But it looks like it's definitely not going to fit right now. Oh, I thought it was going to fit perfect. Never mind. But then your door is not going to fit. Is it?
Yeah.
Your door is have to cut.
Your door will be too short if you put it on the outside. It might be okay. It won't. They won't stick together, but it might be okay.
Where's the door? I think it's alright. It doesn't touch the floor. That side is a drawer.
We're gonna leave Dad to do whatever he wants to do, but Marsh and I are heading to bed. Say goodnight, baby. He does not want to turn his head around. He's like got both his arms like proper paw to me. Turn around. Just grips tighter. So cute. Okay. Good night, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.